Cameron Chardukian here with the Daily Developer Show. This is the show where we talk every single day about how you can become a better developer and how to optimize your lifestyle as a developer. As you can see, I'm a little bit rusty. Haven't made a new episode for a few days because of the holidays and more of the fact that I've had some family in town that I haven't gotten to see for several years. So we've gotten a little off track, but we're getting back into it today. What I want to talk to you about in today's video is the idea of, do I have to learn blah 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 to be a software developer? You might hear some software developers or web developers, programmers, whatever you want to call it, you might hear some of them say, oh, a real software developer knows Java. Or, dude, look, we're living in the modern age. You need to know React and Vue and Angular and TypeScript. You need to know every single new JavaScript framework library. You gotta learn all of that. Dude, my eye is like crazy now. I'm almost as crazy as they are. The truth is, first of all, who cares about the label? Software developer. I am a software developer. I am a web developer. Listen, you should be doing software development for two reasons, and two reasons only. Number one, because it is a career that gives you a good salary, or it compensates you well and it allows you to take care of your family or your friends, or it allows you to give yourself the kind of lifestyle you want, or it's something you genuinely enjoy and it keeps your mind active. I see those as being like the two main reasons. I guess in this reason, you could also say it helps you contribute to charity or whatnot. It helps, but basically, you're doing software development to earn money and take care of the things and people that are important to you, and you're doing it or you're doing it because you enjoy it, or possibly because you're trying to keep your mind active, or you're trying to strengthen your logical abilities. But, so, those are the reasons to do software development. Who cares about some kind of label? I am a doctor. I am a software developer. Listen, you're a software developer. It's not a doctor. You're not going to get the same prestige. So who cares about the labels? Moving forward, because we're not caring about labels, all that really matters is, first of all, do you have to learn blah, blah, blah to be a software developer? If you're just doing this because you're passionate about it and you're not trying to get a job, you don't have to learn anything. You just do whatever you want. You build whatever project you want. You have to learn whatever you want to learn. If you're doing this to get a job, however, do I have to learn blah, blah, blah to become a software developer? Do I have to learn TypeScript? Do I have to learn PHP? The answer is, it depends. You have to learn it if the jobs require it. And if the jobs don't require it, you don't have to learn it. So what I recommend is you find the type of job that you want. For example, let's say that you want to be a front-end developer, and specifically, you want to be a React developer. What you can do is you can look up React developer jobs in your city or the city that you would like to work in, and you can see exactly what those jobs require. They might require you to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript. They might require you to know Git. They might require you to know, obviously they're going to require you to know React. They might require you to know ES6 syntax for JavaScript. They might require you to know SQL. I don't really know. I don't know exactly, but you can search that, and this is the answer to your question. Do I have to know PHP? Well, when you're looking at these React jobs, do they require you to know PHP? If the answer is no, you don't have to learn it. Don't listen to anybody who says, oh, a real developer knows PHP, a real developer knows JavaScript, a real developer knows Dreamscape. Forget about the labels, forget about what somebody's ego is telling you. Just look at what jobs are out there, the job you want. And if the job that you want requires it, you're going to have to learn it, or you're at least going to have to learn a lot of the things that they've listed in order for you to get that job. And if it doesn't include that thing that a real developer would know, then you don't have to learn it. So, I hope you found this video useful. It's quite a simple concept, but a lot of people have been asking, do I have to learn blah, blah, blah? Do I have to learn blah, blah, blah? So, I hope this way of thinking helps you answer that question, and remember, This is the Daily Developer Show. We don't always get to it daily, but we try. So please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.